In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Phasmophobia on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Phasmophobia is primarily available for PC, however, it is also officially available for consoles. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and purchase the game for your PlayStation 5. I'm gonna teach you how to find it through the PlayStation website, but of course, you can follow along through the PlayStation Store. All that you have to do is open the PlayStation Store either on the website or through the console itself and look for Phasmophobia. It should be the main result to pop up. So as you can see under games, it is actually the only result. This game is only available for new gen consoles, so PlayStation 5. Keep that in mind. It is not available for the PlayStation 4. Off sale, it is going to cost $19.99, and during this sale at the moment, it is discounted by $5, so it is going for $14.99. All that you have to do is add the game to your cart and purchase it. You will need PlayStation Plus active for online play, and it does support VR. So if you have a PlayStation VR headset, you can use it to play. So all that you have to do is download it here, and you can play alone, with your friends, with random people online, and so on. It is a very well made psychological horror game, and you can find it available on many different platforms, including consoles such as the PlayStation 5. So just purchase the game from here and you will be good to go. As you can see on the multiplayer, they list the options as being cooperate, play together, and crossplay. So it is a very well-made game that gives you plenty of options to enjoy the experience with your friends. And like I said before, you can even play it in VR to enhance the experience even more. The game is also available on PC if you would like to get it through the Steam store. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Phasmophobia on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.